we both have different interests, but recently we started finding few interests common, and really enjoyed doing together. Like we both started baking together, painting together, dancing together, and at a point now we are like doing everything together, and it's more enriching. I feel because we keep giving feedbacks and like pushing each other whenever we get distracted or anything. So it's and importantly, it's very much fun.
As you said, in the recent days, we have been finding the interests that align with both of us and being doing together. And the best part is we keep pulling each other. And even if I feel lazy to do it, she pulls me and makes sure that I do it. And then she goes in that mindset. I pull her to do that. Somehow we both together get the work done
Yeah,
by
whenever
pulling
we're
and
doing
pushing each other.
different things, we're doing together.
Yes.
Yeah.
Just sitting together and doing different things also helps us to make the work get done.